Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings, alishanmao here, and this is a very quick, very short video, maybe for YouTube shorts. Before I actually start working on my second project, and that is a DIY homemade electric mini boat using plywood, I thought it would be a good idea to test my concept and the drawing and measurements on a very small scale. So check this out. So using cardboard, I made some measurements on a small scale and cut and joined it with zip ties just to test the concept that I learned online. It's basically actually working very well. It's not a bad boat. Look at this. I mean, it's just a piece for testing, but I will have a lot of place, a lot of space on the front right here. I thought because I'll be doing a fiberglassing and lots of epoxy stuff, so only one rib in the middle, because the boat is not going to be too big. Maybe 1, 2, 3 ribs should be enough to hold the boat in its place nice and good and form a good shape as well. So what do you think of my idea? This is going to be a very, very simple design, and I'm sure, inshallah, it will look very, very nice after a complete build with plywood, and it should be easier as well. And after that, I'm thinking I'll use 2 of these electric motors on my, a little plywood based simple DIY boat. Of course not on this one, but the one that I will build. And these 2 motors, each of which has been rated to generate 27 kg of thrust, I think they will be able to push my boat at a good speed. Time for me to say prayers and then go down and start working on my DIY electric surfboard build, for which the vlogs and build series you're already watching. Thank you very much once again for following my work. Please give videos a big like and subscribe to my channel, and save the date for all these new upcoming fun builds.